Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying prerequisites: storage space, required upgrade materials, and city level. Check immediately so you don't stall. Once confirmed, open the Hotspots panel and select the hotspot you want to upgrade. Make sure you place it next to commercial or residential demand to benefit from bonus traffic. Also, clear nearby buildings if they block access. This reduces construction delays. After placement, queue the upgrade and note the cost and time so you can plan resource delivery without pausing progress. Once done with placement, gather the exact materials listed. Factories, storage, trade depot, and friends deliveries are fastest. You should prioritize produced items first, then use the trade depot to buy missing pieces because costs stack quickly. If you're on a deadline, spend speed-ups or coin boosts selectively. They save hours. Make sure you queue the upgrade only when all items are in your inventory. If you have extras, queue another hotspot upgrade to optimize builder downtime and resource flow. Finish by starting the upgrade and watching the timer. When it completes, test the hotspot's effect on traffic and demand to ensure the upgrade succeeded. If the upgrade fails to start, first restart the app and clear temporary cache. This often resolves sync issues. If items disappeared, recheck storage and trade depot, then reassemble missing parts. Should errors persist, record your city ID and open a support ticket. Provide screenshots and timestamps so the team can restore progress quickly and get you back to building.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.